Hey folks, my name is David Ross. Welcome to AI 3-Minute Master. As always, we're going to be learning a nifty teacher trick using ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, your choice of course. First things first, in every single one of these lessons we're going to be accessing my prompt library, which is free and designed for teachers, K-12 and higher ed. The next screen you're going to see in the video is a QR code that links to the library or a URL. I want you to open that up and bookmark it because we're going to be using it today and from now on in everything we do. Hi, today we're going to focus on one of my favorite uses for ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, which is the creation of a standards-based study guide, because I have spent so many hours trying to develop these over the years, and now I can do it in 30 seconds or less using one of our LLM tools. So I'm in the search field in the prompt library. I'm going to type in study guide. It's going to have a couple of returns, but I want to look specifically for this one here, which is just plainly called study guide. I'm going to copy this text, but before I insert it into ChatGPT, I'm going to prep ChatGPT. So watch the prompt that I write it. I'm going to say, please review the 6th grade social studies history framework for California. Focus on the section about ancient Mesopotamia. So what's that going to do? It's going to preload and prep the LLM, in this case ChatGPT, with knowledge about the specific section of the framework and the standards that I want, because I want this study guide to be standards-based. So it's going to give you, as you see, a short overview of what it just read, but now it's prepped for the prompt. So I'm going to put in that prompt that we copied from the prompt library. So using this California standards, which we just prepped it for, I'm going to actually make it a 3-point study guide, 3-page study guide, because I found those to be more effective, with practice questions for what my students should know about ancient Mesopotamia. So again, you're going to use your context. Whatever is your state, you will substitute in Ohio, New Jersey, New England, not a state, Massachusetts, whatever. And then whatever is the subject area they're teaching, science, math, whatever. Create a study guide with practice questions. I like the practice questions because it really gets my kids thinking about what our standards-based focus is going to be and what they should know about ancient Mesopotamia. Let's see what it gives us back. All right, and it's enumerating the pages. One of the other things I've done, and you could do this if you use a third prompt, is you could put it to task it with putting in line numbers, because sometimes even though there's headings and page numbers, students can't find things in there in the study guide, so I can refer to a specific line item. So it's focusing on priesthood, polytheism, Hammurabi, all the things that I teach as part of this unit or project on ancient Mesopotamia. It gives me a nifty little conclusion, and it gives me some practice questions which preps them for the test. Well done, ChatGPT.